friends, I am Mathiazhagan, Assistant Professor from the Department of Computer Applications, working at DRSNSRCAS College of Arts and Science College, Autonomous, Coimbatore. Today I have explained for the computer networking concept in computer science. So computer networks. So computer networks, we have some of a layer available. So that is the called an OSI model. So OSI model is the some of the 7 layers available. So computer network concepts is the very mostly important of OSI model. So OSI model is it is the very well important of networking concept. So there are the 7 layer of OSI model available. So first one is the physical layer, second then is the data link layer, third one is the network layer, fourth one is the transport layer, fifth one is the presentation and the session layer, one is the application layer. So this is the type of 7 layers available. So OSI model. So OSI model stand for Open System Interconnections. So it has been developed by ISO. It is the International Organization of the Standardizations. So it is a 7-layer architecture, which each layer have a it should be concept of OSI model and a data unit and a functional unit. So this is the all type of computer layers available. So I have explained the table in layers. So layers, data unit, function. So first one is the application layer. So application layer, it is the data unit is the data. So function is the mail services and directory services and FTAM. So presentation layer, it is the data unit is the data. So it is the function of encryption, decryption, compressions. So next one is the session layer. Session layer is the data unit is the data as a session establishment and synchronizes. It's the dialog controller. So it is the dialog controller of session layer. So next one is the transport layer. It is the segment datagram unit. It is the segmentation. It is the partition of segmentation. Data is a partition of segmentation is the split up. So next one is the network layer. It is the packets. It is the traffic. It is the function of network layer. It is the traffic control and fragmentation is the routing. Next one is the data link layer. It is the frames. So it is the flow control and error control and access control of the data and the frames. So we have a different of frames. So data is divided into the packet is divided into the frames. So next one is the physical layer. Physical layer, it is the bytes. So it is the bit synchronization and bit rate control and physical topologies. So layer and their uses. So OSI model layer 5, 6, 7. It is the application. It is the called as the applications layer. So it is the protocol of the DNS and the DHC and the NTP. So it is the SNMP. So FTP file transfer protocol, hypertext transfer protocol, and POP3. It is the protocol of available on the layer of 5, 6, 7. So it is the device app and when the server, mail server, browser, and mail client. So layer 4, that is the host to host. So it is the DCP to UDP. It is the devices is the gateway. So layer 3, it is the internet. So IP and ICMP and IGMP. It is the router, firewall, layer 3 switch. It is the devices of the app. So layer 2 and layer 1, it is the network access. So network access is the ARP MAC and RAP MAC. So Ethernet and token tree. So it is the protocol. It is devices app is the hub. So this is the all type of available on the network layer. So this network layer, it is the most important of OSI model. So the OSI model is the very important and advanced layer. It is the improved and transaction for this type of layer available. So it is this concept of computer network concept is the mostly very important of topic is the OSI model. So OSI model, you have a go for the job. So what is the OSI model? It is the seven layer deeply well known of your knowledge. Get the knowledge of this computer networking. Thank you.